Hi Flourish Family, and welcome back to a journey through the chakras. Make sure you check out my other videos as I take us on a journey through all 7 of the chakras, or energy centers that influence our spiritual, emotional, and even physical well-being. Today we're going to focus on the 3rd chakra, Manipura, or the Solar Plexus Chakra. This energy center is located just above your belly button in your core. And this energy center influences feelings of confidence, willpower, self-value. You may know that you have blockages, or you need some balancing or some healing of this chakra if you tend to anger quickly or intensely. If you suffer from imposter syndrome or a lack of confidence, or a tendency to procrastinate. Each chakra resonates at a different frequency. This chakra resonating at 528 hertz and associated with the note E. Close your eyes and allow this vibration to wash through you and over you. See if you can feel it activating or harmonizing with your solar plexus chakra. And here you can say to yourself, this is who I am, and it's good that I'm like this. I'm perfect in my own way, and I don't need to be or pretend to be anyone except who I am. I take aligned action to reach my goals and actualize my intentions. And if you wish, you can chant along the mantra associated with this chakra, which is Ram. Bookmark this video and come back to it anytime you feel that your solar plexus chakra needs some tuning up or some healing.